YouTube, Troystarz trucking. Thanks for tuning in. So in this video, I'm here to pick up the Volvo truck. I'm gonna give it a good winter service.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
I have a lot of service doing. I did change my oil in the Mack truck already, because you guys know when it comes to winter, you have to make sure you're ready for the winter. Winter don't play around with people, right? So I did a full service on the Mack truck. I have a lot of stuff that I want to share with you guys in today's video. But you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and concentrate on the Volvo truck, which Volvina right here. Volvina haven't worked in let's say 3 weeks now. So Volvina is going for service. I'm going to take it to the wash, get it washed, get it ready for a new driver. So I'm going to put a new driver in Volvina. So this is what's happening. I know you guys are, thinking, Troy, what's up with the next driver or whatnot. I have those videos coming up, you know what I mean? So you guys don't worry. I'm gonna tell you everything is coming, everything is coming. I know I'm kind of slow, a bit slow, but it's gonna be speedy in a while. You guys know when I have so much things doing, and because I know myself. So when I say I know myself, I can't do so many things at once, you know what I mean? So I try to take my time to do it the way how I can work, you know what I mean? And I'm coming out with some videos in October here. I'm gonna give you guys some lifestyles and something, and we have a relationship topic that we're gonna touch on. We have a lot that we're gonna talk about, so you guys have a clear understanding of what I do to make out. Is that even the right word to say? What I do to work out my situation, to have things flowing in the right direction for me. So for this month, we're gonna have those talk videos with you guys, reason with you guys, let you know it's not the end of the world, you know what I mean? And a lot of things can happen once you know how to apply them. And we're gonna talk about that in this month. So don't worry, look out for those videos. But anyway, enough talking. We're gonna see Volvina park for, I think, over a month. Volvina at park, if I'm not lying. So I'm gonna see if Volvina can even start. So I'm gonna put the Mack truck in the spot that I'm taking Volvina from. I'm gonna take Volvina to the mechanic. All my Amsoil products are there already, and also I'm gonna introduce the grease, Amsoil grease, to you guys. So I buy a case. So when I go around there, we're gonna use the grease on the truck. I'm gonna take it to the truck wash. We're gonna do a full service. You know what I mean? We're gonna clean it out so the driver can get it. So we're gonna see what condition the other driver leave the truck in. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna look, we're gonna see if the truck start, we're gonna check the oil. We're gonna do a full service. So thanks for tuning in. It's a boy Troystarz trucking. Okay, so let's just walk around the truck. See, yes, and guys, I have a contract with this truck. Is on a contract already. So that's where this truck is still working. But while I was walking around the truck and looking at everything, I could see where this had broken or bent or I don't know what happened. Maybe it's going on a trailer, dropped from a trailer or something. But this wasn't informed to me. I had no idea about this. I'm just seeing it now since I'm here. So I don't know if the mechanic can bend it back or put it back. I'm not sure, but I didn't know that this happened. But anyway, I don't know what happened there. But yeah, this is Volvina. All the hairs are up. The hair is out the hair bag. Spark for a while. So yeah guys, I'm gonna start it up now and see. I'm gonna take this thing from off the back because it's all cracked up. I guess this thing protect the trailer, I guess. So let me go inside the truck now to see. Let me press the key and see if it open. Oh, that means the battery would have died. Okay, so this is basically the first time I'm coming in the truck since the driver came out. So let me see the condition that the truck is in. So as you guys can see, he walked in with his shoes on because you can see the dirt. So this is the condition the truck leaves in. Well, it's not extremely bad, but I mean, yeah, it's not that bad. But I mean, it could have been better. You know what I mean? So that's what leave on the top bunk, and this is so it need a little cleaning before I hand it over to the other driver. So this is how the dashboard is. He did go ahead and put the lock on there, which is good, so no one can't move it. The tracker is in the truck. Everything is there, so it's not so bad. Other than it looked like when he came to take his stuff out, he didn't take his shoes off. So that's not that bad. At least it's in good condition, I can say. So yeah, inside the truck is not bad. So we're gonna see. I know it's not gonna start because this battery may die or something. So let me turn the key and see something. Not even light is on the dash. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do now is try to get the Mack truck to give it a boost, give it a jump start, even though a car is parked right next to me. So I'm gonna try to get I'm gonna look at the batteries and we're gonna take it from there. So we're gonna use the Mack truck to start to start Volvina. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. Okay guys, so the battery died, so I'm gonna use Macrisha to start Volvina. So this is it. I have the jumper cable on the ground, so I'm gonna hook up all the terminals, and I'm gonna hook all the terminals up, and then I'm gonna start it from there. So you guys already know. I know the truck is making a lot of noise, but you gotta listen, right? Checking the oil and everything in the Volvo truck. One of the good thing is the truck is parked for like over a long period of time, and there's no leaking on the ground, you know what I mean, and everything is okay so far. Okay, so the red is on the red, the black is on the positive is the red, black is the negative. Same thing right here. So we're gonna do positive, the negative on the black side, and the positive on the red. So this is what's going on. The positive, the negative is on this side, positive is on the other side. So red is over on that side and the black is on this side. And it's the same thing here. The negative on this side, positive on the other side. And you can use the color to see the difference, right? So I'm gonna put some rev. I'm gonna put some rev on the truck now so that it can charge the battery more and we get Volvo start, right? Okay, let me also show you guys how to put a higher rev count on the Mack truck. Let me show you guys how to do it. All right, let me remove these things. Okay. This is the dashboard, and once your cruise control is on, you can see the light in it. You want to set the rev count to go up. So what you do, you press down first, and then you press up like 2-3 times to get it to where you want it. So you press down, so look, press down, and you're gonna see the rev count is gonna change as soon as I start pressing up. So look, you can see, look. So this is it. So I'm revving at 1,000 RPM now, right? And you guys see what I did? I pressed down once, and then I press up. Because if you start just pressing up like that, you're not gonna move. We gotta press down first. So it's a high rev on the truck now. I'm gonna go inside of Volvo to see if any lights on where the battery is, because there is nothing at all on the dashboard. There's nothing yet. Its battery is dead. Because I think the fridge leave on, so we're gonna charge this for a while, and until we start getting something. Okay, so right now I'm just checking out to see what is happening, and we already have the higher rev on the truck, right? We're still hooked up, so we're gonna turn the key to see if it had charge on where it is, because first it wasn't getting anything from it, but you know, it's 2 trucks here. This is not a car to a truck, so it should be quicker. So let me just turn the key now. Okay, so yeah, so we have power now. So all right, let it cycle. Okay. All right, we're gonna check to see where the battery level is. So the battery level, the gauge. Okay, so it's 13.2. I guess we can start it now. Try to give it a start, but I'm gonna take over the wood because it does rest on my creature, so I'm gonna take it off because I don't want anything to start shaking up or whatnot. So let me just put it back down. The radiator is all right. You can see radiator fluid is okay. I checked the oil already, so we're gonna just put this down, and then we're gonna give it a shot now. We'll see if it starts. So it's cycled already. Give it a start. No. No, it didn't start. You can hear the low battery going off in the back. Neutral not detected. So let me go on the brake. It said neutral not detected. So you need more charging. So we're gonna wait until we get it charged. YouTube Troystarz. So basically, I'm here over half an hour now with the truck hooked up. So this is what? Like I said, I'm here like half an hour going to 45 minutes with the truck hooked up. That means the battery was extremely out. So we're gonna try to give it a start now. I have the Mack truck on the iRev, right? The Volvo is hooked up, battery died. So we're gonna give it a try now to see what if we get it to start. We should be able to get in some type of turnover now or something. So let me look at the battery life to see the gauge, to see where it is. So the battery gauge is 12.9. Let me try to give it a turn now and see if it starts. Okay, we gotta start. Let's unhook the wires now. Okay. So I'm gonna switch the Mack truck off. Let me. Okay, so the battery is now at 14. I don't know if that niggle is basically giving us the right judgment, but the DEF tank is full. The oil temperature is at in between 60 and 90. What else is there? So let me turn up the rev. YouTube Troystarz trucking. Thanks for tuning in. Now, yes, I take Volvina to my mechanic here in Brampton, and we are doing a full service for the winter, right? And also a new driver. And like I said, stick around for the I have a story time coming up, which I'm going to tell you what happened to the last two drivers and a lot more. Guys, you need to get that story time. Don't miss it. When you see it, please click on it, save it, and watch it. But anyway, let's continue with this. Now, as you can see, this Amsoil that I'm showing, this one is the 4-time protection, which this is the one I am leading towards using. I use the 6-time protection in the truck, both in the boat trucks, you know what I mean? And I see where the 4-time protection still do the same job basically when I do the oil samples. I am seeing like basically the same result, and I'm running over 50 to 60,000 kilos on the truck with this oil, you know what I mean? So yeah, so this is a new product that Amsoil, it's new to me, but Amsoil have it for a while. It is the synthetic grease, polymer C EP. Did I even pronounce that right? But anyway, it's the Amsoil synthetic grease. This grease giving you have a what, purple look to it, like a dark purple look, you know what I mean? So it basically, what this grease does is it don't wash away so easy, like wash off that easily, and it do not come out of the rubber, like get hot and just, you know, come out the rubber so fast like the regular grease, right? So, and this grease cover a lot of trucks, like over the road tractors, you see delivery trucks there, dumper trucks there, you know what I mean? Farm truck, because it is good for the environment based on, you know, what this grease is. And I came to my mechanic, and he normally uses his grease gun to get the job done. So this is what it's like with the Amsoil grease inside the gun. I'm gonna show you down in the video how we put it in. Like basically, well, it's the reason why I break up is like I'm saying, no one need to know how it is going. It's so from you look at it, you know how it going already, right? But anyway, yeah. So we go ahead and we grease the truck, fully grease. You know, all the brake slack adjusters. You know what I mean? We grease the fifth wheel, and some grease was already in the gun, so you know, we had to take that grease out and then put the Amsoil in, because you know that's how it worked. So yeah, so well, all I can say is I didn't this grease was on Volvina. It didn't get to the Mack truck as yet, but I'm gonna definitely tell you guys how this grease stand out or how it work. But nevertheless, I leave some at the mechanic, so if you guys plan on passing by, you let him know you need some of that grease on the truck. You know what I mean? So I mean, I'm going Amsoil now. Well, you guys already know I'm promoting Amsoil over 4 years now, so this is not something new. But nevertheless, we are you know, for Troystarz, I believe in stuff that work, and when stuff work, that's what I go with. I don't switch around to like try to figure out, because we need expensive equipment here. Not if it's old or new, it's still expensive. It's even more expensive when no warranty is on there. So you have to look for the right products when you're gonna take that type of risk. But nevertheless, this is a new grease to me, so I will definitely let you guys know what the grease is like. And this grease is very reasonable. For the case, what the price is, I'm gonna leave it in the description so that you guys can know how much for it. But I'm gonna also leave the link so you guys can call in and order over the phone along with my reference number. I'm gonna leave a reference number you guys can use to make your purchase. I have a couple of my subscribers that is already using the grease, and if you guys are watching this video, I want you to send a picture of your truck to me so I could post it on my YouTube story. You know what I mean? Because that's what I'm gonna do now. Once you send it to my Instagram, and I will download it and then post it to my YouTube story. So send the truck that you're using your Amsoil in, you know what I mean? So I can even get used to the truck. So if I see it on the street, I can say, you know what, I know that truck. But nevertheless, this is it. We are, like I said, greasing the whole entire truck with this new grease here. Trying to get everything on point and getting ready for the winter. And I have my new driver that is going inside the truck now. This driver is from St. Vincent. So okay, so this is how we just put that grease is finished. So we put it in a new one in the grease gun, and we basically like I said, it's very easy. Just pull the top off like that right now, and then we remove the clip at the bottom and put it inside the gun. I'm gonna leave a link for this type of gun in the description, so it's a battery gun that you guys can use, you know what I mean, and you can take it in your truck with you. You can charge it with your inverter if you run out of charge, you know what I mean, and you can grease the truck yourself. You buy your grease, you take it along with you. You don't need to pay to get this done. You buy the gun one time, and you can stop from paying that $30 every time you go to grease. You do it yourself, right? So you just take your time and get everything in place. So you guys may wonder, and then Troy, or you telling us to do it yourself and you are not doing it yourself. I'm unprepared, guys. I'm unprepared. I'm getting ready now. I'm almost there. Don't worry. I'm almost there. But nevertheless, this is what it's like. So we're gonna use this video to show you guys what is happening at the moment. You know what I mean? So yellow, you know, that's a Jamaican mechanic is finishing with the greasing of the gun of the truck, and that's about it. So thank you guys, thank you for sticking around. And like I said, I have a lot more videos coming out. I'm in the process of just editing videos. That's all I'm doing. You know what I mean? And yeah, I'm getting myself some new gear. So it's a lot. So thanks once again, Troystarz. Trucking.
Best oil you can ever recommend it to a customer.
Said you needed a break and left with no heads up. I was strong for your sake, but it made my heart drop. 'Cause it's always been you and I. Give me one more try, this is messing with my mind. Not gonna lie, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. We're like everyone else, we have our ups and downs. It is not just one mistake that made you think about what life can be like without me in it. I still thought it'd be you and I until we die. But I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being being away from you. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.